Mana to me right now today is the acknowledgement and the engagement with the notion that we are part of a genealogy that is ongoing. We are part of a legacy, and understanding our place in that legacy, understanding our place in our genealogy, understanding where we stand with our ancestors, so that we know how to prepare for our descendants, is for me mana. And our responsibility then to our ancestors, so that our descendants can also sort of retain and maintain and perpetuate, but also to innovate and to live and to learn, are all part and parcel of what it means to be in mana, what it means to live in mana, what it means to breathe mana. That's what mana is to me.
Tap into your mana by downloading a free copy of Mana La Hui Kanaka at oha.org/mana.